In the name of all knowing and all wise, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The news headlines. Maulavi Nur Jalal Jalali, the Minister of Public Health, met with His Excellency Edwin Zeniza, head of the World Health Organization WHO. Official authorities strive for alternative poppy cultivation across the country. And weapon firing at the gathering of people in Gaza by Israel. I'd like to welcome you warmly to our Today News Bulletin. It's Wednesday, the 30th of Zulqa'dah al-Haram 1446, the 7th of Juzah 1404, and the 28th of May 2025. The news details. Maulavi Nur Jalal Jalali, the Minister of Public Health, met with His Excellency Edwin Zeniza, Swoldor, the head of the World Health Organization WHO in Afghanistan, and Hamid Jafari, head of polio eradication in the Eastern Mediterranean. The ministry stated that in the above meeting, several issues, including organization, educational seminars, better implementation of polio vaccination, provision of health services and facilities for the returnees, equipping hospital with medical tools, implementation of mass immunization policy, and cooperation in the treatment of patients with cancer went under negotiation. Based on the ministry, Mr. Jalali emphasized the fight against infectious diseases as a top priority and requested assistance for organization in creating facilities for the returnees at Turkhan border and equipping the hospital for thalassemia patient in Herat. The representative of the World Health Organization assured a comprehensive cooperation with Afghanistan in health sector. Mullah Abdul Haq Al-Khan Hamkar, the Deputy Minister of Counter-Narcotics at the Ministry of Interior, met with His Excellency Polek Oak, the head of the United Nations Office on Drugs Crime, UNODC. Mr. Hamkar asked for UN support in developing alternative crops, professional, police training, and other related sectors in Afghanistan. He added that the cultivation, trafficking, and sales of narcotics have been banned in the country. Meanwhile, Mr. Polek Oak assured that the Islamic Emirates' successful efforts in counter-narcotics will be documented and shared with the international community. The news continuation. Maulavi Nuruddin Azizi, the Minister of Industry and Trade, during land distribution ceremony for industrial areas, called on investors to source and provide the raw material domestically. Mr. Azizi added that Afghanistan is rich in terms of natural resources for providing raw materials for manufacturing. And today, last news. Israel regime military forces opened fire on Palestinians who had gathered to receive humanitarian aid at the distribution center in the city of Rafah in southern Gaza Strip. The Gaza media office reported that as a result of strike, 300 Palestinians were martyred, 46 were injured, and 7 others went missing. The Gaza Minister of Health has announced that since October 7, 2023, the number of victims of Israeli attacks in Gaza Strip has reached to 54,056 martyrs and 123,129 injured. That's the end of our Today News program. And profound gratitude for being with us. For further news analysis, Uruj Publishing and Administration, accessible through social media and platform. And wishing our viewers graceful time and blissful day, and we are extremely in the need of all Muslim good du'as.